this thing ain't working out. I think we need a new direction. You're at home in this small town and I'm just feeling fenced in. No need to complicate it, it just goes that way sometimes. This is your place, I'll find mine. You take the house, I'll take the car. I'm leaving town, I'm going far away from here. I don't care what no one's got to say.
How's it going, Greg? We're in France! Woohoo! Yeah! Okay, mile 1 and it's about 9 o'clock. I'm not sure it's going to plan. I'm not sure we've got a plan, is the truth. But just now looking for somewhere to go and have breakfast. We're at camp number 1, on our way for hopefully a nice meal and shandy, and I think we did about 60 miles today in the end, which was about 20 miles too long. So the showers perked me up a bit, so hopefully we're start to enjoy today for the first time. This has been a good one. The 2-1 is strike again. 20 miles down on day 2. Day 4 begins. Off to St Malo.